Hi friends, it's me, Cookie, and today I wanted to make a special treat with you. It's actually one of my favorite all-time snacks, peanut butter cookies. But not just any peanut butter cookies, I like to add chocolate chips to them. Want to help me make some? Great, let's go! First, we're gonna set our oven to 350. Now make sure you always ask an adult for help first, because this can get really dangerous and it can get really hot. So let's always make sure we do our safety first. Time to turn on our oven. Do you see the word upper oven? Great job, it's right here. Now we're gonna go over to this side. Do you see the word bake? Great job, it's right there. Then we have to type in 350 for 350 degrees. So 3, 5, 0. Do you see the word start? Great job. Do you hear it turning on? Now we just have to wait for the oven to heat up. So while that's heating up, let's go make our dough for our cookies. We're going to do all of the liquids first. So there's 2 tablespoons of oil. It asks for 3. So there's the third. Then it asks for a tablespoon of water. Boop. And of course, the egg. Now, I don't like getting shells in my batter, so I always tend to crack them outside. There we go. And you're using the full egg with the yolks and everything. Now we're going to add the mixture. Here we go. Make sure we get every little piece. There we go. Put that right there. And now we're going to put our mixer together. There we go. And then lift it up and we'll start it on slow. Look at our dough. I think we might need to turn it up a little bit. But it's mixing really well. Soon enough, we're going to be rolling these into balls and putting them right into the oven to cook. Now we'll use this to try to get most of the dough off of here. Then we'll take it off, try to scrape some more off, and then we'll get ready to go roll the dough and put it in the oven. Now we have our parchment paper down. And now we're going to take and roll. They should be about probably the size of a golf ball. We're going to keep rolling, rolling. Boop. And we're going to continue on until we fill the tray. And I will not be squishing these down. I actually let them cook as balls and then they will shrink down and you will see, and they're going to be so delicious. Just wait and see. Now that they're all rolled into balls, let's check on the oven to see if it's ready. 350 degrees. It's ready. Let's put the cookies in. Come on, cookies, let's go into the oven. I put them on the middle shelf and we'll give them probably between 10 to 12 minutes, but we'll check on them real soon. Bye, cookies. While the cookies are in the oven, we're going to get our chocolate chips all ready. All we're gonna do is pour them into the bowl. So as soon as they come out, we're going to add these to them. They're so yummy. I can't wait. We've got about 5 more minutes. Just look at them. They're almost done. Well, they're all done. Now we just need to add chocolate chips. I got a little scoop. We gotta be kind of quick because they are very hot. Oh my goodness. Please let me stress this. Get an adult to help you. But we're going to pour them on there. And wow, that one actually has a lot. That one's gonna be super chocolatey. We're gonna do this quick because all we're doing is squishing them on there. Gonna go as quick as we can. These are my favorite, hands down, cookies ever. I can eat these every day. I like to make them a lot around like the holidays, especially, you know, for Christmas and things like that, and for Thanksgiving. These are super simple, super easy to make. Lots of chocolate chips being used here. Okay, get in there. We're almost done. We just want to hurry up before the cookies cool down, because once they cool down, the chocolate chips don't stick to them as easily. So, woohoo, then squish them. Well, you can use this. This is actually probably a better idea. There, and we are all done. Now we're gonna let these cool, and then we're gonna eat some. Now take a look at these. Super chocolatey and going to be super yummy. I cannot wait a couple more minutes and we will be able to try one. How does that look? Super yummy. Now let's try it. Wow. Super moist, super chocolatey. I absolutely love cookies that are squishy, and this is it. Now, if you want a really yummy cookie, trust me, try that recipe. Well, friends, that was, oh my goodness, such a good cookie. And I really do hope if you guys like peanut butter cookies, try some, recipes for your own. You can make them handmade. I do make them handmade a lot, but to be honest, sometimes I just want them so quickly that I just go to the store, buy the quick kits, just because sometimes I don't have time to make all that stuff from, scratch. So don't feel ashamed if you do. There's nothing wrong with that. Well, friends, I hope you had a great time today, and I hope you guys keep coming back for more and more fun with me, your friend Cookie. That's Kookie, and that would be me. And don't forget, if you like videos like this, keep liking them and subscribing for more and more fun.